9 p.m. Okay, let me give you a quick intro kind of a thing what I did here. So you can see we have two devices here. First one is like the user device. You can see the user, which is Rohit, and the second one is the listener, right? So listener are the one who are getting paid to listen, and user are the one who is going to pay for listeners time, right? So the goal is users are the people who need someone talk to, so they will come to the app and talk to the listeners. And yeah, listeners get compensated for the time they spend. So I have created a simple intro kind of a thing tutorial. So once the user install the app for the first time, they will see this screen. So if I click on this, it will explain what the app is and how the chat session thing works. So you can see it is saying when you create a chat session, you get something like this, and you can end this tutorial from here. And it is saying me you can recharge here. So when you click here, you can see bunch of packs we have. This part is a little broken, but we have webhook and everything set up, so payment integration will work, but some issue on the revenue cat side, so I'm not sure what is the issue here. Okay, so let me show you how does the main chat thing works. If I click here, then I have to create the chat session. Once the user send the first message, it will create the chat session thing, and when I send the message here, user will receive the message. uh, you can see the user has received the notification, and also here if I click on this notification thing, they can accept the session or reject the session. We have the typing thing here. uh, Also the double tick thing is also going on to keep track if the user have read the message or not. So for example, if I close it here and send message, you can see only we are having single tick here. Let me close this and open it from here. So you can see once I open the message, it got the double tick thing. So now next thing which I want to show, this is the listener device and this one is the user device. So if I open the chat session here, and you can see the minute thing which is going here. Once I end the chat session, it will deduct the minute from the user end. So for example, if I end the session here, uh, you can see the minute is deducted based on the chat session duration. So yeah, this is how the main payment thing work. I don't think there is anything else in this app aside from this. This UI part, you can see this UI thing which is about the listeners, their stories and around that. Aside from this, there is nothing else. I mean, since the goal of this app to keep everything anonymous, so on the user side we don't have a lot of thing. On the listener side, we have basic edit option, then this earning and payout. Once the listener reach a certain threshold, they be able to pay out it. Uh, the minute will get deducted from their side, and I will receive notification on Discord. I have set up Discord for that, and also which is not visible here, but I have con job setup which is always running in every minute I think, to check if there is any chat session is active or not, because let's say there could be a situation where chat session is active and no one have uh, ended the session, so it will keep track of the chat session until the user minute is completely depleted. Once the user minute is completely depleted, then it will end the session, even the both devices are not running. So yeah, I think this is all about the app which I have built. This is all I wanted to cover about this app. So Dada, did you understand what I have just showed you?
money transaction is not done yet.
What?
That money transaction is done or not?
I mean, you user have to reach a certain threshold, which is 500. For example, if I go over here, once I increased the user minute to 500 minutes, you can see the button is activated.
Yeah.
So once user requests the payout thing, I will receive a message on Discord. As you can see, I have received the once I review it personally, then I will be able to pay out it.